Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: coverage, device, and plan activation. First, check that your phone supports 5G bands used by Geo and that firmware is current. This avoids compatibility delays. Next, verify your Geo account shows a 5G compatible plan and that the SIM or eSIM is provisioned for 5G, otherwise request an upgrade. Once done, reboot the phone to apply network provisioning. This gets you to the first actionable milestone and prevents wasted time on later steps. You now change device settings to prefer 5G. Go to Settings, then Mobile Network, and select the SIM. Set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G or NR/auto so the phone can attach to Geo 5G. Make sure the APN remains set to GeoNet. Incorrect APNs block data. After saving, toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, and toggle it off to force a fresh registration. This forces the handset to negotiate the new 5G connection with the GeoCell. You finish by verifying successful attachment and taking one key troubleshooting step if needed. Look for the 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm low latency and higher throughput. This proves the radio link is active. If you do not see 5G, recheck that the plan and SIM profile are truly 5G enabled, move to a different location for signal, and reboot once more. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your IMEI, network logs, and account info so they can resolve provisioning or tower-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.